Hey everyone, welcome to Auto Change World. Today we're diving into Volkswagen's soul cars, the 4 legendary models that truly define the brand and shaped automotive history. Volkswagen quality is premium quality isn't just a slogan. These icons prove it. From the people's car that started it all to performance benchmarks, business leaders, and true luxury flagships, each one left an indelible mark. Let's explore the 4 greatest Volkswagens of all time. First up, the Beetle. Volkswagen's global status wasn't built on later models. It started with the Beetle. Launched as the company's founding car in 1937, it was designed by none other than Ferdinand Porsche, with one mission: create an affordable, durable, and practical car for everyday families. Its distinctive rounded shape, rear-engine, rear-wheel drive layout, and ultra-simple engineering focused entirely on low-cost and bulletproof reliability. Priced at just 990 Reichsmarks, it made car ownership possible for ordinary people. Mass production began in 1945 and continued until 2019, with over 21.5 million units built and sold in more than 150 countries. By February 1972, the 15,734th Beetle rolled off the line, surpassing the Ford Model T to become the world's most produced car at the time. It holds the record for the longest production run on a single platform, and remains one of the most significant vehicles ever made. A global cultural icon that gave Volkswagen its DNA of practicality and durability. Second, the Golf. When the Beetle began to show its age, Volkswagen needed a modern successor. The first generation Golf Mk1 arrived in 1974, switching to a front-engine, front-wheel drive layout with a water-cooled engine and officially opening the brand's FWD era. Positioned as a compact family car, it was tight, practical, and fuel-efficient, instantly becoming a European bestseller and Volkswagen's new sales powerhouse. The original came with a 1.6-liter inline-4 producing 110 horsepower and a top speed of 182 km. Volkswagen planned to build only 5,000 units. But demand exploded, and the first generation alone exceeded 460,000 cars. The entire Golf family has now surpassed 35 million units produced worldwide. Beyond sales success, it created the hot hatch segment and helped Volkswagen move beyond the Beetle's shadow to dominate the compact car market. Third, the Passat B5. Once established, Volkswagen turned its attention to business and luxury segments. The 5th generation Passat B5, launched in 1996, became the undisputed king of mid-size business sedans. Built on an all-new platform shared with the Audi A4, it featured a transverse engine, sophisticated 4-link front suspension, independent rear setup, and an impressively low drag coefficient of just 0.27, delivering comfort and efficiency perfectly suited for executive travel. In its time, the B5 led its class in technology, design, and build quality, earning the well-deserved title King of Business Cars. It remains a beloved classic among enthusiasts to this day. Fourth, the Phaeton. In 2002, Volkswagen introduced its first true luxury flagship, the Phaeton. Hand-built in the state-of-the-art Dresden transparent factory, it was engineered without compromise. A steel aluminum hybrid body for lightness, powerful W12 and V8 engines, advanced automatic transmissions, and a full suite of top-tier luxury features. While sales didn't match traditional luxury rivals, the Phaeton proved Volkswagen's technical prowess and officially entered the ultra-premium segment. Officially described as the ultimate expression of Volkswagen engineering, it stands as a bold milestone on the brand's journey toward true luxury. From the Beetle's dream of mobility for all to the Golf's modern revolution, the Passat B5's business excellence, and the Phaeton's luxury ambition, these 4 models perfectly capture Volkswagen's spirit of practicality, innovation, and relentless pursuit of excellence. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you next video.